Hello everyone. Today we are starting sets part 3. In this class we will discuss about different operations on set with Venn diagram. First, union of two sets A and B. We have taken here two sets A and B, and we will discuss here union of two sets. What is the union of two sets? Here we have taken, this is the Venn diagram. We have taken here this one as set A and this one as set B. Union of A and B is the set consists of all those elements of either A or B or both. These are called union of two sets. For example, I have taken here set A as set of vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and capital B as ABC, small ABC. Then A union B, according to Venn diagram, we can see here this A, this small a, is common element of both A and B set. Therefore, we have written A here in the common area intersecting part. We have written here A, and rest of the element of A, that is E, I, O, U, we have written here. And again rest of the element of B, that is B and C, we have written here. And union of two sets A and B will be, that is A union B. This is the symbol A union B, just like U, capital U. This is the symbol of A union B, and all the elements of the sets of A and B without any repetition. First A, this is the common element. Next, rest of the elements of the A, that is E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U, and rest of the elements of B, that is B and C, B and C. This is the answer. Therefore, A union B will be this. Next, intersection of two sets. For intersection of two sets A and B, here I have taken one diagram. This is called Venn diagram. Here full A set is this and B set is this, and A intersection B is the common element of A and B. That means intersection of two sets A and B consists of all those elements which are in both A and B, which are common element of A and B. Here I have taken one example, that is 1, 3 and 5 set A and set B as 1, 2, 4, 5. If we check, if we observe from here, 1 is the common element, and again next 3 is not here, next 5 is also common element. That's why in the Venn diagram 1 and 5 we have written in the common area, and rest of the element of A, that is 3, we have written here, and rest of the element of B, that is 2 and 4, we have written here. This is the Venn diagram, and according to diagram this part is the common area. Then common area of A and B, and here elements are written 1 and 5. That means A intersection B, elements of A intersection will be 1 and 5, and the symbol of intersection is this one. Therefore, A intersection B is these two elements 1 and 5. Next, complement of a set. If we take a universal set U, U is the universal set. Let U be the universal set and A be any set. This and this one, set A, be any set we have taken. According to this example, we have taken set A as 2, 4 and 6 here, and universal set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the elements of universal set. Then complement of A is the set consists of all elements which are in U but not in A. We denote complement of A as A dash or A complement, AC. A dash or AC. This is the symbol of A complement. Then if we write it in set builder form, we can write in this way: A complement is equal to X such that X belongs to U, that is universal set, and X is not equal to A. Next, with this example, elements of U are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and elements of A are 2, 4 and 6. Therefore, A complement is 2, 4 and 6 already we have written. That means rest of the element of U which is not included in A, that is 1, 3, 5 and 7. These are the elements of A complement. That means if we add these two elements, that is elements of A complement and elements of A, then if we add, then what we will get? First 1, 3, 5, 7. Next 2, 4 and 6. Then we can see all the elements of the universal set are there. That means all the elements of A plus all the elements of A complement will be the elements of universal set. Now difference of sets. We have taken here two sets A and B. Let A and B be any two sets. Here I have taken set A and set B. Then the difference of A and B is the set which consists of all elements of A which are not in B. That means all the elements of A except common element of A and B. Next, if we write A minus B in set builder form, we can write in this way: x, A minus B is equal to x such that x belongs to A and x does not belongs to B. Here I have taken one example. A, as I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements, these are elements, and elements of B are 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we need to calculate A minus B. For that, we will check which are the common elements of A and B. Here we can see 2 common, 4 common element, 6 common element. That means all the elements of A and B except A intersection B. That means rest of the elements are 1, 3, 5. That means answer will be 1, 3 and 5. Now if we calculate B minus A, then what will be answer? If we calculate B minus A, here also we will take all the elements except all the elements of A, that means common element of B. Here if we take A, common elements are 2, here let me write here 2, 4 and 6. These are common elements, and rest of the elements of A 1, 3, 5 and rest of the elements of B 8. That means according to this diagram 1, 3, 5, this is the area of A minus B, and this is the area of, this one is the area of B minus A. That means only one element is there, therefore B minus A will be 8. Next, symmetric difference of sets. Let A and B be two sets. Then symmetric difference of A and B is the set which consists of all those elements which either belongs to A or B but not both. That means which are belongs to either A or B or but not both. That means which lies in the common area, that is A intersection B, those elements we will not take. Except A intersection B, all the elements we will take. Here symbol of symmetric difference is like this, triangle shape. Then a symmetric difference of A and B will be A union B minus A intersection B. All the elements of A and B except elements of A intersection B. If we write in set builder form, then we can write in this way: x such that x belongs to A union B and x does not belongs to A intersection B. Here I have taken one example: A as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and B as 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here if we draw a Venn diagram, we can see here these are 1, 1, 3, then next 5, then 6, 7, 8. These are common elements of A and B. That means we need to write in the intersection part 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and rest of the elements of A, that is 2, 4, that is we will write here, and rest of the elements of B is 9, only 9 we will write here. Then symmetric difference of A and B will be A union B. Symmetric difference of A and B will be A union B, that is all the elements of A and B minus A intersection B. That means we will not consider these elements, all the elements except 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means answer will be 2, 4, 9. This is the symmetric difference of two sets A and B. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, please subscribe and give comment. We will do a next part of this chapter in our next class. Thank you again for watching my video.